Below this, we have got a little condenser which will condense the light. And then we got an aperture here. मैं सब दिखाऊंगा अभी आपको, बट सोचो लाइट नीचे से आ रहा है and we got a condenser like a lens. Have you burnt anybody's hand and hairs or clothes in the school? लेंस के साथ बर्न करा ना, पेपर ही बर्न करा. We used to burn hands, hairs. Once one of my friends put the whole school on fire because he burned the mattresses with the lens. आग लग जाती है ना mattress के साथ. A lot of things we have done with those, and burning insects, burning. A lot of boys do a lot of naughty things. Same way, there's a condenser by which we can move the condenser and make the bulb ka light go like this. This is the first concept of any microscopy. First concept of microscopy is the light. अगर आप मेरे को देखना चाहते हो, madam, to you want to look at me in this room. We got slightly less or average light. But in case I put 100 lights of this nature, we put 100 lights, will you be able to see me or not? I want to ask you. हम नहीं देख पाएंगे. Why you can't see me? It will become too bright for you to see me. The most important failure in the microscopy is where the light is set up so strongly that the specimen is there but not seen. Now, whatever I'm telling you, this experience of more than 30 years, not only training but a lot of working. We worked in a life. So, सबसे पहला माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर हमको लाइट को, whenever we start with the working, we have to keep the light at very medium intensity. Then there's a place called aperture. वो क्या होता है? That will open the light going. We make it small or big, the more light will go inside. And there we can put a small contrast disc also. It will give you a 3D appearance of the specimen. So first part, make the light less. The light is less, we are able to see the specimen better. Now as we do microscopy, I'll teach you the tricks, more tricks. But first part is this. The second part is that in objectives, our slide is 1.2 millimeter. Cover slip is 0.13 micrometer. And specimen thickness is around 20 micrometer. 20. WHS is 20. So it is 1.3, 1.2 millimeter, 20 micrometer, and 0.13 micrometer. You find it very boring now, but this is it. Once you understand this, you would have probably saved money, which you can buy a beautiful pothi sari, which is costing 1 lakh rupees. Or maybe a trip to Dubai. In case you listen to me now. A microscope is not designed, it's not a custom made thing that you can design any microscope. Slides are not designed of any thickness. They are designed as per the microscope setup. And microscope will only work when your glass slide is 0.1.2 and cover slip is 0.13. Because only then it will be able to focus. In a microscope, the specimen can go up and down, it can move left and right and front back. But it has to have a glass slide of 1.3 or 1.2 millimeter. In case you are working at different objectives are 4, 10, 20, 40, 100. So how does the objective change? ऑब्जेक्टिव में क्या फर्क आता है? टू मेक इट 100, हाउ डू मेक इट 100? लेंथ बढ़ जाती है. हैव यू सीन little movies? Have you seen have you read comics of Tintin when you were young? I think Tintin was a very favorite comic at our times. So when you talk about Tintin, the Tintin guy, the captain, had a huge telescope. When they go to the sea, they use a telescope. Telescope means that they put multiple lenses and they can see far away, and by they keep focusing it. When I have to look at her or you, I can see you easily. When I look at madam, I'll my eyes have to focus more, and I lose the clarity. Fine, you understand this. Now, in a microscope, to look more intensely on an object, we have to use higher objective, right? Now, what is magnification? E into O is magnification. It is able to magnify an image. I have to go to higher objective. And as I go to higher objective, I want to see it more closely. What I have to do, I have to go to a more powered objective. And as I go to more powered objective, what will happen? Objective length will increase. First concept. Because we have decided that, and it will actually amount to your buying a pothi sari in 1 year, because you won't break the lens or your microscope. Why don't people work? Because you're afraid to you break the microscope. Remember that when we're working on the glass slide, a glass slide can work at 4, 10, 40, 20, 100, a glass slide. But when we use a Maillard chamber, or when we use any sperm counting chamber, that has got a thickness of around 3 times that slide. मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनिएगा. That will become around, in case the glass slide is 1.2 millimeter, उसका thickness will be around 3 times that glass slide. Maybe becomes around 3 to 4 millimeter. Understand that? Now this happens that once we put that chamber on the microscope, we can't use any objective more than 20. The moment I bring in 40 or 100, that will come and hit this light and break that light. So the world's best embryologists will break one to Maillard chambers because it is never taught to you. Maillard chambers are for what? They are for sperm counting. Maillard chambers are not meant to do anything beyond counting, because they've got a grid. It will only count the sperms. It cannot give you for morphology what, how much do you need? 100. You're going to look at staining of the cells, what? Minimum 40 or maybe 20. But